Hi, I'm Ben from Ellii. This video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade from an individual subscription plan, which includes 35 licenses, to an individual pro, which includes 100 licenses. If you need more than 100 student licenses, you'll have to upgrade to the organizational account, which is unlimited students per teacher. But if you are remaining on an individual license, you can upgrade to the individual pro to get up to 100 student licenses. All right, so here's how you do it. You click up here on your icon for your account. Right here, that'll open the account drawer, and then you click to account to get to your settings here. On the sidebar, you'll see subscription, and this will show you the current subscription that you have. Right now, I have the 3-month individual plan, which includes up to 35 student licenses. And if I want, I could switch to a 6-month or a 12-month plan to save some money. But if I'm looking for more students, you can see right here, an individual plan has up to 35 students. The individual pro plan has up to 100 students. So to do that, to make the change, you just simply click select plan. And right here, it will calculate the difference. And you can either change on renewal, so maybe your renewal is coming up in a few weeks from now and you just want it to change at that point, you can do that. Or you can change from today by clicking change now. It will explain what the difference in price is, and then you go down to the bottom to click confirm change. If you need to change your credit card on file, you'll just click change card. And one other thing to note is that the individual pro plan with 100 students is only available when purchasing an annual subscription. There is no option for 6-month or 3 months. So you select individual pro for 12 months and then either choose to pay the difference or to pay on renewal. All right, I'll hit confirm. And once I do this, my credit card has been charged and updated for the difference, and I'm now on the individual pro plan, which includes up to 100 student licenses. Let us know if you have any questions.